Hello my little darklings, welcome again to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a purple look with the Bloodlust palette and the highlighter and lip gloss. Doing a get ready with me for a DJ live stream, Das Maschine. Have a purple look, it's going to be awesome. To start off, I'm going to be putting on the base eyeshadow on my eyelids here from the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. Got my little purple mirror here. So they have been gardening. I think they just stopped doing the edging using the edger machine. Kind of noisy, so I can film now, not so noisy. Okay, we got a little base down here. I've already got my foundation, my concealer, my powder. I'm baking here. Next, I'm going to be dipping into the Androgyny palette. So old school, I'm going to be using that for the transition shade and the crease. So I have been super busy, just doing everything. I cleaned my house the past couple days, like top to bottom. I organized everything. Okay, let's dive into the purple palette. I'm going to be wearing a purple shirt. I got my Maraluna shirt on. I'm going to be putting a purple Maraluna shirt on later when my whole look is done here. So I'm going to go into Vivid Moon here first on the base, on the first 3/4 part of my eye. So hope everyone's doing okay. Kind of has a happy Easter weekend. I don't really celebrate Easter, but it's just another weekend. Another long weekend. All the days and weeks blending together like our eyeshadow. This color Vivid Moon matches my shirt almost identical, the print on it. Next, I'm going to be going into Blood Queen here in the outer part of my eye. I'm going to blend them together with another brush here. I'm going to blend it out on top too, so it blends into the upper part of my eye. Next, I'm going to be dipping into Dungeon. Put that in the crease here. It's like a purpley plum, dark blackish color here. It looks black, but has like a purple tint to it. There's not quite enough pigment, so I'm going to put some more Vivid Mood on the inner part of my eyelid. So what's everybody up to? Hope everyone's having a good weekend. It's a nice Saturday evening here. I like it. Looks good. This is an easy look here. Next I'm going to be doing take the crown in the brow bone area. And I'm going to put it in the inner corner too. Now I'm going to be putting Blood Queen in the outer portion of my lower lid here. Gonna blur it out a bit. Next, I'm going to be putting Vivid Mood into the inner part of my lower eyelid here. Okay, I think we're done. I got the depth here and the crease and the outer portion, light, and the highlight. Next, I'm going to be putting on my eyebrows, my eyeliner, and mascara, and I'll be right back for the highlighter, the blush, and the contour. I'll be right back. What's up, little darklings? I'm back. We're going to be putting on the highlighter now. Yay! I got my eyebrows, my eyeliner, my mascara on. So I'm going to be dipping into Choking on Ice from the Bloodlust collection. The Extreme Frost here. I love this one. It's super sparkly. So be sure to tune in tonight on Twitch for Maschine. It starts at 8 Central Time. I'm going to go in with my finger here to the highlighter. I'm going to be putting on makeup at least once a week, so keep some sort of like schedule consistency here, just to keep yourself up, to make yourself up, and keep your old routine going, and don't let this whole whatever change and disrupt your life. I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing here and keep on my plan and my purpose and my schedule and everything here. Next week, IKEA is delivering my giant bookshelf. I can put all of my books and my stuffed animals away. I'm excited about that. So my house here is finally coming together. I cleaned it. Everything's super organized. Everything is perfect in its place. I fixed my dresser today. A piece fell off. I used some super duper German glue and stuck the wood piece back on. I think that's enough highlighter. What do you think? Okay, I think we're good. Next, we're going into the blush. Take Me Home from Patrick Starrr MAC. This has a lot of pigment, so just a little dab is enough. I'm going to be using the black contour today, the Onyx Ice here. This is really good for like dramatic contour. So I'm just going to be putting a line here on the hollow of my cheek. And just kind of blending it out a bit. And try to match it up to the other side here. So what color do you think I should dye my hair next? I think I'm gonna bleach it. I don't have enough of the purple left. I have some black. I know Sally's, the beauty supply, is closed. So maybe I should dye my hair black next. What do you guys think? Do you think I should cut it or grow it out a little bit? Maybe shave it, do a mohawk again, because I kind of have to do my own hair here. Hair here. So write in the comments below, what do you think my next hairstyle should be? If you like my makeup looks and you like my content, please like, share, subscribe, put on the notifications. I'm gonna be putting a little bit around my face too. Usually I put a brown, but today I'm just gonna use the black. Okay, now I'm going to put it on my neckline here. This kind of tricks my mind into think I'm going out, but I'm not. Just stay here, listen, and watch the stream. We'll see what happens next month. No idea, I just play it by ear each day. I went out earlier and I got some vegan cupcakes and muffins and brownies for me and my mom tomorrow. Okay, that's it. I think it's pretty even here. What do you think? Next, I'm going to be putting on my outfit and we'll put on the lip gloss and we'll be done with the purple look for Dust Machine stream on Twitch. Be right back. Hey everybody, I'm back. I got my whole look together here. We're just going to do lip gloss next. I got my purple earrings in. They're glass. They're from Gorilla Glass Jewelry, a piercing jewelry company, and I got my little purple nose ring in here. I slicked my hair back, my purple necklace here from Attitude Holland when I was at the Amphi Festival at their little stand. All my rings on. This one's purple here, it has a spider and a purple stone in it. Got my purple bracelet. There's a spike. There's one missing. Whatever. It's from Hard Rock Cafe. Purple beaded bracelet. And purple spiky rubber one. That's from Goth Yoga. Here's my shirt here. Mara Luna. It's got purple in it. It matches my eyeshadow here. And I got the skirt on. It has buckles on it. Uber industrial. And here's my stomping boots for the night. Uber stomping buckles. They match my skirt here. And I got some stockings on. So let's put on some lip gloss and some highlighter and perfume and we're ready to stomp in my house in the living room for Dust Machine Online Edition tonight. Yay! Okay, I'm gonna be using a Lord Starrr lip gloss. It's super sheer. I didn't feel like putting on a whole purple lip tonight. It smells and tastes like candy. It's super yummy. Okay, next we're going to be putting on some perfume. It's a Sinner one. Look at this cool bottle. It's from Kat Von D. They have a Saint and Sinner perfume and a candle too. So I try not to put it here because it's going to make little water speckles on my contour. This smells really good. It's like earthy and just like cedar wood. I love the bottle here. It's super goth and it's like a potion bottle. Next, the last step, I'm going to be putting on some highlighter here. I'm using the Liquid Frost Ice Queen here. Just going to put it on my arms, a little bit on my chest. Gives a super highlight. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? It matches the choking on ice really well. Put it on, although it has like a pink shade. This is more purple, but you can't really tell when it's on your skin. So I'm just going to be dumping it out because the applicator is a piece of junk. See it reflecting on the light here. Looks really cool on tattoos. Put some more on the other arm. Put a little bit here, trying to get it there. You can see it reflecting in the light here. Isn't that cool? It looks really cool under the club lights and in person. It doesn't really capture on camera so well. You can kind of see it. Okay, that's it for my look here. I hope everyone has a great weekend. Happy Easter if you are religious and you celebrate Easter. If not, have a happy 3-day weekend. And hope everyone's staying safe and sane, having fun and being productive. Check out the DOS Machine online edition tonight. I will link it in the info box below. Please like, please share, comment, subscribe, put on the notifications, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, my little darklings. Bye.